I always start from the bottom to try to put the filter on and tape it all around, block off as much airflow as you can. And if you have a lot of pets and it gets really hairy on the back, just do a light vacuum with a HEPA vacuum. And this used to be really ugly, gray, and rusty. So I spray it the same way too. You kind of want to tip it upside down. Try not to spray the electronics, but spray everywhere you might see. And then you can make it any color you want. They do make these in designer colors where the blades and the casing is the same. But if you have old ones that need a refurb, you can just spray paint it. And looks pretty good. With all spray paint, you either want to lightly sand or at least give it a week or two to dry really well. Then it's less likely to chip off or rub off. And the other fans we have is just your standard ones. Take the front grill off. So these I might run under the water and get them clean. This one is a little trickier to take the front blade off. So I just end up trying to wipe it in place. I have a bunch of different eco sprays that I like to use. So I didn't bother cleaning this when I put it away last season. So yeah, like a lot of cat hair. But I'd have as probably more on the box fan if I didn't have that filter system going. And just clean off all the blades you can, as best you can. On the back side and all of that, and then reassemble it. And then it's good to go. Don't forget to play it by ear and do what we can to clean up things like this.